If you have been keeping up with our inventory through our social media, I'm here to let you know that we've sold both homes on North Main. We've sold lot 223 in the Claremont community, and lot 161 in the Claremont community is currently under contract. But wait, we have more available. Lot 158 in Claremont will be done very shortly. We also have this beautiful home we're in right now. It's 1883 Westchester in Fenwood Links. Coming up soon, we are breaking ground on more homes in the Claremont community in the garden home section. We have lot 50 and 51, lot 94 and 95, and also lot 65 that will be available shortly. If you want to see the floor plans for the upcoming builds, call Stricklin and Porter today. If you get in early enough on these, we can do as many upgrades as you'd like.
Michael Stricklin here with Stricklin and Porter Land. Look, if y'all want to learn more about our inventory and the projects we have going on, and also keep up with Munson Hills, click the subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's go. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for?